The speed limiter in your Hyundai i20 2014 to 2020 is a system that allows you to set a maximum speed that the car cannot exceed, enhancing safety and preventing unintentional speeding. It's different from cruise control, which maintains a set speed. The limiter caps the maximum speed electronically. Availability varies by trim and region, more common in Europe and Australia. Here you can see the dashboard controls on the steering wheel and the infotainment display showing vehicle information. The speed limiter is typically controlled via buttons on the steering wheel. Look for buttons labeled Limit or Set, often located near the cruise control controls. The exact location may vary slightly depending on the model year and trim level. To enable the speed limiter, press the Limit or Set button. A symbol will appear on your instrument cluster, usually a speedometer icon with a line through it or the word Limit. Some models may require you to briefly accelerate to the desired limit while pressing the Set button. Once the speed limiter is enabled, accelerate to the desired maximum speed you want to set as the limit. Then, press and hold the Set button or a similar button, often marked with plus or minus to confirm the limit. The set speed will now be displayed on the instrument cluster, showing the maximum limit you've chosen. The car will now prevent you from exceeding this speed, even if you press the accelerator pedal further. To adjust the set speed limit, use the plus and minus buttons while the speed limiter is active. Each press adjusts the limit in increments of 1 km per hour or 1 miles per hour. The new limit appears on the instrument cluster. You can temporarily override the speed limiter by fully depressing the accelerator pedal. This is useful for overtaking. Once you release the pedal, the speed limiter will re-engage at the set speed. To completely disable the speed limiter, press the Res or Cancel button on the steering wheel or use the same Limit Set button that activated it. The speed limiter icon will disappear from the instrument cluster, indicating the feature is no longer active. The speed limiter does not brake automatically. It's crucial to remain vigilant and brake manually when necessary. Be aware that steep inclines may cause slight speed variations. Regularly check for software updates to ensure compatibility with navigation and speed limit recognition features. Remember, the system is a tool to aid safe driving, not a replacement for it.